GM everyone, welcome to the live demo of Pharo Tashi, your AI powered staking platform. Let's jump right in. As you can see, this is the landing page. Right off the bat, take a moment to appreciate the clean, intuitive UI. It's minimal yet expressive with just light mix of data and design to get you straight to what matters, staking intelligently. Now, before we dive into the interactions, here's a quick overview of why did we choose Pharos. Pharos is not just an average blockchain, it's a blazing fast, fully EVM compatible and designed with scalability and AI in mind. It can complete 50,000 transactions per second with 2 gigahertz per second speed and block time less than a second. It can be scaled to a billion of users, right? Similarly, Pharo Tashi stands out from generic staking protocols. It's AI powered, yield optimized, and designed to help users turn passive assets in productive ones by making use of the algorithm called Tashido algorithm, which is designed by us. With features like dynamic pool allocation, real-time APR predictions, and customizable strategies, it's built to stake smart, not just to stake more. Now let's go on and move to the exciting part of the video. Oh, okay, so I'll go and click on stake and see how the loader is. It's cool, right? Now here you can see a list of multiple staking pools, each with unique configurations. Each pool dynamically displays its lock period, total liquidity, and current APY. And yes, in our smart contract we have included a feature to withdraw the funds in case of an emergency. If a user ever needs to exit a position early, they can. However, to maintain the health of the reward system, a small penalty fee is deducted and sent to the contract owner as a part of the protocol sustainability model. You can see how it works in the emergency withdraw function in our smart contract. Now let's go on and try taking some tokens. Okay, so here is it. For the reward we have something called Tashi staking incentive, but later on there will be other tokens too. Okay, in pool 0 let's take some 200 Pharos staking tokens PST. As you can see, the approval transaction, it just goes through just fine. Okay, failed transaction. So yeah, this is what I was about to talk about. This is due to a current issue with ERC20 token transfers on the Pharos testnet. We have talked with the team and we are pretty confident that this issue will be resolved soon, and we're staying in the sync with the core team. But once again, let's go and try staking in this pool. So yeah, this is the transaction to deposit, as I have already approved some tokens already before this. It's taking a bit of time, and yeah, the transaction again failed as I said earlier. Now let's go and check out the admin panel of the application. This is only accessible to the deployer of the contract. Let's click on, yeah, I guess the transaction just failed right now, but okay, so here you can see this is the place where I can create the pools and manage rewards, and this is only accessible by the deployer of the contract. You can see Tashi token. So let's go on and try creating a new pool. So I'll go on and okay, so as you can see over here, I can choose which token need to stake and what will be rewarded against it, the APY and the lock period, minimum lock period. Okay, so for staking currently we have just this token called PHAROS staking token, and for rewards we have something called Tashi staking incentive. I need to input the address of this tokens. I'll choose the APY to be 12 and minimum lock-in period to be 45, and I'll create the pool, and I'll sign the transaction. Upon confirmation, the transaction, as you can see how quick it was, all thanks to PHAROS. Let's go and check out the transaction in the Block Explorer. Yeah, it was succeeded. And let's go and check. Yeah, we have three pools now. It's important to note that once this app goes live on mainnet, this admin panel won't exist. Instead of all the staking pools will be dynamically fetched from the top DeFi protocols like Aave, Uniswap and others. We also want to integrate subgraph and graph for faster data fetching in future. For demo purposes, however, we have retained this user interface so the functionality will be properly demonstrated and understood. Until dynamic pools go live, the admin is also responsible for funding the token rewards. Let's go and try to fund some rewards in the pool number 3. Actually, it's pool 2, and let's try depositing some rewards. First of all, I need to approve the tokens so that my contract can spend it. Okay, as you can see, the transaction passed successfully, but let's see if this passes. It's again the same issue as I discussed earlier in the video, that because of the issue persisting in the PHAROS DevNet, the ERC20 token transfers are failing. Now let's discuss the reward calculating mechanism, which we call the Tashido algorithm. It's a custom function designed to reward long-term stakers more than the short-term ones. Let's go and check out the function. Okay. Yeah, this is the function. We calculate the users on the staked amount, elapsed time, and daily earn rate derived from the APY. The system ensures consistent time-weighted rewards that incentivizes patience and loyalty, true to the spirit of DeFi. Let's again go and try depositing from not depositing, but actually seeing how the UI looks now after adding the third pool. Okay, let's again try adding. I'll give the max and I'll try approve and deposit it. Okay, again the transaction was approved, but let's see if we can pass the transaction to deposit. Okay, so again the transaction dropped, and that wraps up our walkthrough of Pharo Tashi, from customizable staking pools and real-time analytics to our smart contract-driven emergency exit system and AI-driven optimization engine. Pharo Tashi is staking reimagined. The synergy with PHAROS makes it a powerful protocol, not just for earning, but intelligently growing your assets in the new era of Web3. That's it. Thank you so much.